So this is the Navitas Organics brand of cocoa powder or cacao powder. Same thing. I actually work in the chocolate industry and I find this to be quite a high quality product, not just because it is organic certified and a fair trade product, but because it is both non-alkalized and has a really great fruity chocolatey smell. It's a resealable package, so it's really easy to use a bit of it either to make a drink or some baked goods and then close it back up and put it right back in the pantry. You can see it's a pretty full bag. I've only used a couple scoops of this so far, but I'm going to show you what it actually looks like straight out of the bag. So it's got a really nice powdered consistency, so it doesn't dissolve in beverages, but it will blend in really well. It's got a pretty light color. It's actually a non-alkalized cocoa powder, which means that it hasn't been processed with a lot of other chemicals to make it have a more standardized pH, meaning that when it interacts with baking powder and baking soda, it won't react as strong. It will react more strongly. So you need to be careful when baking with something like this, because again, it's a non-alkalized cacao product, but it is an unsweetened cocoa powder. The only ingredient is the aroma cacao, and it has a really great flavor for baking and drinks like smoothies, or in my case, hot cocos. So good quality and a consistent product.